Running into the "we could not update the system reserved partition" error during a Windows update, this message blocks upgrades and leaves your system stuck. Stick around, we will explain why it happens and walk you through the exact steps to fix it safely. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix this Windows update error, "we couldn't update the system reserved partition." Let's jump right in. Prerequisites. You must run command prompt as administrator, suspend BitLocker before proceeding, then resume after the update. Create a restore point, optionally backup the font files before deletion. Method 1. Use command prompt. Press start, type cmd, right-click on command prompt and select run as administrator option. Next, run this command in the elevated command prompt window. Mount a hidden EFI or system reserved partition. This exposes the partition as drive Y so you can access it. If Y isn't used, replace Y with another unused letter, example Z. Navigate to the boot fonts folder. Most Windows systems use this EFI path. If you get the system cannot find the path specified, try the legacy path. Create a backup folder on C and copy the fonts using this command. This lets you restore if you ever need those files again. Now, delete only the font files to free space. List files to confirm you are in the fonts folder. To do that, run this command. To delete true type fonts, run this. If space is still tight, you can delete remaining files in this fonts folder by running this command. Do not navigate up or delete anything outside this fonts directory. To unmount the EFI or system reserved partition, cleanly remove the temporary drive letter running this command. Run Windows Update again or start the upgrade. It should complete now that the partition has enough free space. In case access is denied or not found or the commands are not working, ensure command prompt is running as administrator. Suspend BitLocker on the OS drive before mounting the EFI partition. Then resume after the update completes. Deleting fonts does not affect secure boot or core boot files. Avoid touching files outside the fonts folder. Method 2. Extend the partition. Open Disk Management by pressing Win+X and selecting Disk Management. Check if there is unallocated space next to the system reserved partition. If there is, right-click the partition and select Extend Volume. If there is no unallocated space, you may need to shrink a nearby partition to create it, or use third-party partitioning tools with bootable media to resize the partitions. Method 3. Run Startup Repair. This can be accessed through your Windows installation media and may fix the issue automatically. Here is how to perform a startup repair on Windows 11. Use a bootable device to boot into your PC. When Windows logo appears on the computer screen, select Repair Your Computer. This will lead you to the Advanced Startup Recovery menu. From here, select Troubleshoot. From the next window, choose Advanced Options, then select Startup Repair. Now the repair process will be initiated. Once done repairing, restart your PC. Method 4. Repair system files. Open command prompt as an administrator, run this command to scan and repair corrupted system files. Wait for the scan to complete and follow any on-screen instructions to repair corrupted files. Method 5. Check disk for errors. Open command prompt as an administrator, run this command to check the disk for errors. Allow the scan to complete and follow any prompts to fix detected errors. Method 6. Use diskpart to increase space on SRP. Open an elevated command prompt window, type diskpart and press enter. In diskpart, type list disk and press enter to list your drives. Identify the disk that contains the SRP and type select disk X. Replace X with the correct disk number. Type list partition and press enter to see all the partitions. Select the SRP by typing select partition X. Here replace X with the SRP number. Type extend size equals 500 or another size in MB to add space to the partition. And that's it. Your Windows update should now complete without hitting the system reserved partition error. If this guide helped you, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more reliable Windows fixes. Still facing issues or found another method that worked? Share it in the comments. Let's help each other out and keep the Windows community strong.